Hey everyone. Okay, so in my last video, all right, first, I think we should address my sunburn. 13 hours in the sun watching my oldest, who just graduated, play summer ball, and I'm burnt to a crisp and it hurts. But that's why I look like this, and it's worse the further up you go on my arms and on my chest and my legs. Oh my god, it's so bad. Okay, but in my last video, you could see these nails, and I asked if anybody would like to see a recreation of them, and you're not gonna believe exactly how simple they were. So let's get started. Okay, now the base colors I use are the Tranquil Aqua, Emerald, and on these fingers I had white. I had the winter white acrylic, but for the purpose of this video I'm just going to use the winter white gel polish so that way we don't have to, mess with acrylic and gel, because I really don't feel like it. But then I have this foil that I purchased off of Amazon. It's just a gold. And then the foil that I used is this one right here. And you're not gonna think I did, but trust me, I did. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside real quick and open this up. I'm gonna get a little piece out of here. And it comes in a roll, kind of like sheet, whatever you wanna call it. And I used a part that was more green tone. So I'm gonna get this part right here. And then I'll fold this back up later. I'll just toss this over to the side. Okay, I'm gonna leave that upside down, and then I'm gonna get a little piece of this as well and get this out. And this you need even less. Okay. Wrap that back up and put that in there. I love these little containers. They make it so easy. Alrighty. So now that I have that, I'm going to take a lint-free pad and my isopropyl alcohol. This helps just clean the back of them off so that there's no oils or anything from my fingers. And it helps it stick a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna put those over to the side for right now. And we're going to apply our colors. Now, normally, if you were going to do these as press-ons, I would recommend that you buff the surface and you apply base gel. But since it's just for the purposes of this video, I'm not going to. We're just gonna paint right on. Okay, so the middle finger is Tranquil Aqua on my fingers. So we'll do a coat of that. I will say, I am really impressed with iGel Beauty's gel polish. I don't think I'm gonna go and spend money on any other brand, because why pay more when you get the same quality for a lot less price? Okay, so we'll just pretend that this is the ring finger. And this is the thumb. And then the emerald goes on the index and the pinky. Alrighty, now that we have those on, we're gonna cure. Okay, so now that I took them out, I cured them for 30 seconds. I applied a second coat, and this is after the second coat of them coming out of the lamp. So now these all have a sticky layer to them. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the gold and crumble it up. You heard me right. Crumble it up. Okay, now we're going to uncrumble it. Maybe. I don't work well with long nails, but for some reason I always want them. All right, now that I have that uncrumbled, I'm going to take the lighter green one and just lightly tap. Because this has a sticky layer, you don't need to add anything else to it, and just lightly tap. Okay, and that's all there is to this one. So we are going to take our top coat and apply it to the emerald green, because I didn't do anything on those nails. And the Tranquil Aqua color. You guys aren't going to believe how easy this is, and it gives such a cool effect. All right, now we're going to take this Macart nail foil glue and put a layer on the white nails. And what you're going to want to do with this one is you're going to want to cure it for a full 3 minutes. That's right, 3 minutes. I don't know why, but it seems to work best with 3 minutes of a cure. It like just gets super sticky. And then this one as well. Alrighty, pop that in the lamp, 3 minutes. All right, so 3 minutes. We're good to go. Now, the same thing we did with this, we're gonna do with this. Crumble it up. Make sure you get like crumbles everywhere. All right. I guess it really didn't matter since I crumbled it up everywhere that I did the isopropyl alcohol, but whatever, I'm used to doing it. Okay, so now we're just going to tap this everywhere on the nail. Maybe. Well, this backfired. All right, we can't leave it on this thing. We'll just do it like this. Try to get some more of the white tones in there. Alrighty, so that one's done. I told you guys this is like super easy. And then we're going to do the same to this one. I might as well just take it off of the little stand. Different parts of it. And I used, like I said, the more green areas than the blue because I wanted the green. But there was a lot of blue in this one, but it'll still come out. It'll still give that effect. Okay, so now that you have these with the base on of this foil, you want to go back in and do just a really thin, not like completely covering layer with the foil glue again, just kind of like, you know, wherever you feel like you want to put the gold, and give that a cure for 3 minutes. Now that that's out of the lamp, we're going to take our crumbled up gold pieces and just lightly tap. I think that one's good. And let's do this one. And I think we're good to go with that one. And then for these, we do the same. Take our top coat. And shine it up. Oh, wrong one. I already did that one. Sometimes foils give you this awesome effect of like incredible artwork, and you're fooling everybody. So there you go. We'll give that one final cure, and that's the nails. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and have a great day. Bye-bye.